Hola, yo soy David, yo soy español y yo vivo en Dublín. What did I just say? Don't worry about that, you will find out after the video. So, hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? Welcome once again to Hablo Español, the perfect channel to start speaking Spanish. In today's lesson, we are going to learn more questions and answers to give or get more information when we are introducing ourselves. So if you are ready, please click on subscribe and also click on the bell. Vamos a comenzar. In the last video, we learned how to say hello in Spanish, how we can ask how are you, or how we can ask for somebody's name. We are going to be practicing this later. In today's video, we are going to learn two questions, dos preguntas. We are going to learn how we can ask where are you from, and also we are going to learn how we can ask where do you live in Spanish. Let's start with the first one. Where are you from? In Spanish, you can say de donde eres. De donde eres. ¿De dónde eres? And then here you have two possible answers. The first one, you can say you are from the country. Yo soy de España. Yo soy de España. Or you can say your nationality. Yo soy español. Yo soy español. Okay, let's try one more time. ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de España. Or you can say yo soy español. Remember, if we want to get back to the other person, we can ask the same question, ¿de dónde eres? Or we can just go straight away and ask, ¿y tú? And then the other person will say, yo soy de China. Yo soy chino, for example. Okay? So let's go for the next one. Where do you live? How can we ask where do you live in Spanish? Very easy. It's quite similar to the other one. So we can say ¿dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? And then you have two possible answers here. You can say yo vivo en Dublín, or you can say the place straight away, Dublín. Let's try one more time. ¿Dónde vives? You can answer yo vivo en Dublín, or you can say the place straight away, Dublín. Okay, let's go back to the first question. ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de España. ¿Dónde vives? Yo vivo en Dublín. Again here, if you want to get back to the other person, you can ask the same question, ¿dónde vives? Or you can ask straight away, ¿y tú? That's it, pretty much. So now we are going to practice everything we learned in the previous video and also everything we learned in this video. So are you ready? So let's practice. Hola. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Yo estoy regular. ¿Cómo te llamas? Yo me llamo David. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Fernando. ¿De dónde eres, Fernando? Yo soy de España. ¿Y tú? Yo soy de Irlanda. Oh. ¿Dónde vives, Fernando? Yo vivo en Madrid. ¿Y tú? Yo vivo en Dublín. Adiós, hasta luego. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe on the channel. Don't forget to click on the bell. And I will see all of you on the next video. Muchas gracias y hasta luego amigos. Adiós.